What's up, everybody? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for tuning in. So today I'm just going to show you how to install a Servo Buddy, tell you where to get one, and just tell you what its main purpose and function is. So if you're like me and you like loud motorcycles, you're probably going to go with something other than stock, because when I bought this bike, it was literally so quiet that even though it has lots of power, it just felt very weird. Imagine yourself riding an electric bike. I don't know, just had a really weird feeling. So I went ahead and got a full exhaust system. And the problem with that is this thing has a servo butterfly in it. So basically, that's your motor. Your cables are right here. And on the stock exhaust, it has this butterfly that opens and shuts. Now, if you have your aftermarket exhaust, you're just going to want to get rid of that because it literally frees up that much space. As you can see, it went like this before. So you could store all kinds of stuff down here. An extra camera, a portable battery, tools, whatever. So I actually bought this piece off of AliExpress because I really didn't want to spend 50 bucks, and this one had some really good reviews. So it's really easy. All you do is, get rid of this, obviously. I had the cables on there for a while, but I decided to eventually take them off because I'm just never going to use them again. So all you do is you take this sucker right here, you plug it in like that, and then like, all right, and then you just push this one together here. And what this does basically is gets rid of that red blinking light. So it's the FI light and then the red flashing dot. It'll just constantly go off if you don't have this here. But if you have this here like that, it won't flash. And I'll show you. So it'll flash before you turn it on, and then hit the start button. No more annoying blinking light. And that way, if you actually have an issue, you'll know it. Because before, this light's blinking all the time, so you don't know if your oil pressure light is on, because that other light is just going to always be on. So if you change your oil and you don't have oil pressure because you let it drain too long, your light might be on and you just won't know. Anyways, guys, hope this video helped you. I appreciate you guys watching. Have a good one. Peace.